Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. This week, like last week, we are going to prepare an appetizer, a starter for a special dinner. It's also a side dish because the main ingredient is zucchini. Last week we prepared it for a meat dinner and today we will prepare it for a fish dinner. So let's go together to the kitchen and let's prepare this delicious ketogenic treat. And here you can see the few ingredients that are also very easy to find in any supermarket. Today we will use zucchini, canned tuna, fresh parsley, almond flour, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, fresh basil, salt, pepper, and we need also this tool, a mandolin, to cut very thin slices of our zucchini. Then, as usual now, there is a forgotten ingredient that I will tell you later. But now let's start the preparation by washing and cutting the two extremities of our zucchini. So the zucchini is ready to be sliced with our mandolin without cutting the fingers. I'm not very good, this is a new tool for me, but I can tell you that it's really useful for many recipes and also that it's very cheap. Zucchini is one of the veggies suggested by the diet doctor for being very common and very low carb, so you can eat them without problem, together with cauliflower, cabbage, avocado, broccoli, spinach, asparagus, kale, green beans that are the only legumes allowed on a ketogenic diet, but also Brussels sprouts, so you have many veggies to choose, also the salad. But let's go on with the recipe by choosing the right slices. In fact, we must choose the big one to be the outside part of the rolls, and the little one will become the filling of the rolls. So I will choose 12 big slices of zucchini, the middle ones, and I will prepare 12 zucchini. You can decide based on your day, on the people that are eating, so that's why in the ingredients I didn't give the doses, but I will prepare 12. So the bigger one go outside and the small one will be diced. As you can see, I diced the big one, and together with the parsley, the fresh parsley and the basil, all seasoned with olive oil and salt, will go on the fire. Well, I don't have the fire, but will be cooked, so it will become the filling. But I promise you that we are not going to prepare zucchini rolls filled with zucchini because it will be very boring. This will be a starter, as I told you before, for a fish meal. So we are going to add something that will be perfect, will be matching with the rest of our meal, and it's canned tuna. This tuna has 0 carbs, and if you buy the one in good olive oil, in extra virgin olive oil, and maybe in a glass container, it will be perfect. If you cannot find it, you can add your own olive oil, but I will mix the canned tuna together with some almond flour, and then when the zucchini will be cooked, we will mix all together. But remember that we forgot one ingredient, and this ingredient is garlic. Garlic matches very well with parsley and also with fish, so it will be like the best for this recipe. While our zucchini are cooking, I can tell you that you cannot miss today's walk because we are going again to the Fotografiska for an exposition about nude. It's about naked bodies. But let's go on with the recipe by putting some olive oil in the plate that we will use to bake our zucchini rolls. Our zucchini are ready, so it's time to add them to the tuna. The filling is going on and it's coming out an amazing feeling. I can promise you, this is truly delicious. I also would like to remind you that canned tuna has 0 carbs and olive oil has 100% fat. So these two ingredients together are pure perfection on a ketogenic diet. We finished the filling adding 1 egg that will keep everything together and very moisty, so it will be great. And also a little bit more of almond flour. I didn't put the doses because you will see the filling. It must have a perfect consistency, something that you like. I didn't put the grated Parmesan cheese in this recipe because I don't like cheese together with fish. So I never use Parmesan together with tuna or other fishes. I know that in modern cuisine it's allowed, but it's my personal taste, so I don't like it and we don't like it in my family, so I don't put it. If you like it, feel free to add what you like in the filling. Also capers or anchovies can be a great idea, but this is the simplest recipe. As usual, I always prepare very simple food. And now it's time to add the filling and to roll the slices of zucchini, as you already seen from the video. I will put 3 rolls in every toothpick because I'm preparing 12 zucchini. I will give 1 set of 3 rolls to every person. We are 4 in the family, so these are 12 zucchini rolls and they are perfect for us. But you can prepare as many as you like and as you need. As you can see, they are very nice and they will be even nicer when we will serve them. But I will show you later how I decided to show to my family this dish because it's a very peculiar way. I found like little boats that are perfect with tuna, but we'll see later. If you will prepare these rolls, please send me the picture on my Instagram account as a private message. You will find me as LCHF_Italian or also with my normal name and last name, Barbara Minati. You make me so happy and you give always to me so many different ideas and inspiration. So thank you all for the pics. And now a little bit of olive oil on top, so some extra almond flour will stick on them. If you want a pinch of salt, I don't think it's necessary. And finally in the oven, preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, that are approximately 360 degrees Fahrenheit, for just 20 minutes. In these 20 minutes we have the time to prepare the presentation. And these are the little boats where I will put my rolls. They are so cute and they are made of bamboo, so they are cheap and they are made with a natural ingredient material. I cook too much. I present these rolls together with fresh basil because it matches and it looks really great. What do you think about it? I really hope you liked today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. Thank you all and see you next week. And here we are again in my beloved Fotografiska, the Museum of Photography in Stockholm, to enjoy the naked body in contemporary photography. This is an exposition that celebrates the human bodies through the eyes of 30 female photographers from 20 different countries. We are used to have a male perspective on the bodies, and the point of view is really different. In this exposition, you can see all kinds of bodies. There is a perfect balance between the simple aesthetic nude versus an honest, natural and personal artistic expression. I really loved it because it doesn't matter the color of the skin, if you're thin, if you're fat, if you're elegant, if you're not. Anybody has his space here. So you can come here and really have the full view of human bodies. And I can tell you that all of them are amazing. I really hope that YouTube will not stop this video because of the nude bodies. These are really artistic expression. And here you can see over 200 pictures, film and installation on this topic. I choose the pictures that are less naked in order to be accepted by YouTube rules. I really think there is nothing bad on showing your body and other bodies. It's the most natural thing on earth, so it should be very normal, but it's not in every country like that. In Sweden it is, and I'm lucky, but you know, art is art and it should be free everywhere. So I'm really glad to show you these pictures, some of them. If you have the opportunity, come to the Fotografiska because this is really worth it. It's a great exposition.